In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Then use gray switch on next to Bluetooth to activate it, and wait for both devices to show. When they do, click on the one you want to connect to, and tap on this icon next to Allow to access contacts to turn it on or switch it off. Then select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. If you are trying to connect to another tablet or to a smartphone, you might need to accept it manually on the second device. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Quick tip to manage this connection: you can always tap on this icon next to any paired device and check out all of those options, including unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!